Hi, this is a quick video of how to make Japanese soba. In this video, I'm making a green tea soba that takes 5 minutes to cook, and I also picked up some shredded seaweed and a soup base. And in the back of the soup base, there's dilution suggestion. First thing to do is boil 1 quart of water for each bundle of soba. And just carefully take off the wrapper. Toss the soba into the boiling water when it's ready. And just make sure you stir the soba occasionally so they don't get stuck on the pot. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and toss the soba into a strainer. And rinse the soba with cold water and drain well. If a cold soba, the dilution suggestion is 1 to 3. Add some shredded seaweed and green onion and wasabi on the side if you like. And now it's ready to be served. Just take your soba and dip it into the soup base and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.